What's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, billion-dollar version here. Listen to me closely. Let me give you one psychological trigger while you're doing video. A lot of people ask me, I get over 10 million views of every video I create. And people say, Wesley, what do you do to make a video viral so you can influence people? Pay attention. My hands. You see how I'm using my hands? So you're looking at my hands. You're looking at that. You're looking at my hands. You're looking at that. You see what I'm doing with my body and my hand? Well, this is very influential on the unconscious level. How about I teach you and train you how to do all this so you can make more money? I've made over $30 million by using these strategies here that, guess what, I'm in Thailand right now because they're illegal in the United States and they're illegal in Canada. Hey, look at my finger. Click below, right? Sign up for the training and let me show you how to influence. And let's go! Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion-dollar version. Pay attention here. I'm a master influencer, and what I want to do, I want to give you a free tip on how to influence people. Okay, this is Nancy here. So she's hanging out. Now, this is called a pattern interrupt. So say if people are looking at you, or say if people are on the internet and you're creating advertisements, what you do is this. Watch this. Look at me. Look at me. When you say look at me, it makes people do it, right? Or stop. Or coming close. You see what I'm doing here? Look at me. Stop is what it's called a pattern interrupt. It stops you in your tracks to learn more about what I'm going to teach you. If you want to learn more tricks here, thank you, Nan, so much. Hey, click the link below here, and I'll show you everything you need to know to become a master influencer. You can influence women, men, children, your family, and you'll make tons of money like I've done over the years. Much love, and let's go!